So in this class, we will move to the fifth unit, that is definite integrals and its application. So in unit 4, we studied integration, that is indefinite integration. Why it is said to be indefinite integration? See, what is integration? Integration is reverse process of differentiation. Reverse process of differentiation, right? So d by dx of x square plus 3x minus 2 is what? Differentiation of x square is 2x plus differentiation of 3x. For x it is 1 minus 0. That is 2x plus 3. Differentiation of x square plus 3x minus 2 is 2x plus 3. So if I integrate this, integration of 2x plus 3 into dx, I will get 2 into integration of x is x square by 2 plus constant into x plus 3. So I got only x square plus 3x. But what is actual function? Actual function is x square plus 3x minus 2. Here, after integration, I am not getting minus 2. So that's why I have to put plus c. So c may be constant of this type. It may be a minus 2, it may be a plus 5, it may be 18, it may be a, it may be any constant which is required for the function. Hence, we are putting c at the end of the integration. Therefore, we say that this is called as indefinite integral. This is known as indefinite integral. Now, definite integral definition. If I take a function f of x is a continuous in the range a comma b. A function y is equal to f of x is a continuous in the range a to b. Suppose if the function is integrated, in this range, we specify the limits. Integrate from one limit to the another limit. So if I say integrate all electrical students, means, so I should gather all the electrical students, right? Suppose if I say gather or integrate the electrical students whose name starts with A and T whose name starts with M. So I am just assigning the integration between the range. So the name starts with A and till the name starts with M. So this is known as what? It is a specific gathering. It is a specific integration. So that is called as limit of integration. We are integrating between the limits, between the range. That is said to be definite integral. So any integration is carried out between the limits, lower limit and upper limit, will be called as definite integral. In symbolically, we write like this: integration of f of x dx between the limits a to b is called definite integral. Is called as definite integral. Then how to solve it? In this, we don't put c. Finally, we will get always some definite value, unique value. So which is what? Unique. So this is whatever the value you get for a particular integral, which will be the unique, right? So that is known as definite integral. Say if integration of f of x dx is equal to g of x plus c. Assume that integration of f of x is what? It is g of x plus c. It is what? Indefinite integral, right? So if this integral f of x is carried out between the limit, say a to b, between the limit a to b, then it is equal to g of x. It is equal to what? G of x, and we should write a bracket like this. Write the lower limit here, upper limit here. So this is lower limit, this is upper limit. See, there is a condition in taking lower limit and upper limit. The lower limit a is always less than b. A is always less than b, or b is always greater than a, right? Then we have to simplify it. How? By substituting the limits of integration. First, put a bracket. Wherever we have x, for all variables of x, put b. Upper limit we have to put. That is g of a. Sorry, b. G of upper limit. Minus, take another bracket in which we have to put lower limit. All x should be replaced by what? A. That is g of a. So this is a number. This is also a number. After simplification, you will get some numerical constant. This is known as definite integral. This is known as what? Definite integral, right? So definite integral definition is what? It is the integration carried out between the limit or in a particular range is known as definite integral, right? It finds many applications in finding area under the curve. Area under the curve. Suppose a curve is like this. From this curve to x-axis, how much area is bound? This can be found using definite integral. Or sometimes, suppose a rectangle is revolved around x-axis or y-axis, you will get a cylinder, correct? So the volume of cylinder can be found. Volume of cylinder can be found, which is obtained by what? Revolving a rectangle around x or y axis, right? Like that, we can also get center of gravity. Center of gravity in a system. We can also calculate moment. So like that, it finds very important applications in science and engineering, right? Let us take an example for definite integral. See the example. I will show you a simple example. Integration of 0 to 1 x plus 3 into dx. As we know that integration of x plus 3, just integrate it. Integration of x is what? X squared by 2 plus integration of 3 is what? 3x. Put a bracket 0 to 1. Put the limits. So as I mentioned earlier, first you need to substitute upper limit for all the variables. What is variable here? X is variable. 1 square by 2 plus 3 into 1. This is upper limit. Put a minus and put the lower limit wherever we have x term variable 0 by 2 plus 3 into 0. Right? This is equal to 1 square is what? 1 divided by 2 plus 3 into 1, 3 minus everything is 0. This is simplified by taking LCM, correct? 2 is LCM. So 1 into 1, 1 plus 3 into 2, 6. 1 plus 6 is equal to what? 7. 7 by 2 is the unique value of the definite integral. Integration of x plus 3 with respect to x in the range, in the limit 0 to 1. Right? See this also. Second one, integration of 0 to pi by 4 secant square x dx. What is integration of secant square x? Second example, take the integral, that is what? Secant square. Integration of secant square x is what? Tan x. Tan x. 0 to pi by 4. So then I need to substitute the upper limit as well as lower limit. Tan of pi by 4 minus tan of 0. What is tan pi by 4? Tan pi by 4 is 1 minus 0, that is equal to 1. Right? Like that, you can take any integral with suitable limit. We can solve that limit under the given range of limits, right? So here we have to work out the problems of all the types of integration which were discussed in indefinite integral, right? We can solve it for simple problems, for direct substitution method, for substitution when function and its derivative are given, for integration by parts, and also for integration using standard forms, right? Problems. Evaluate the following integrals, right? Let us discuss all the types of problems. Number one, integration of x square plus 3x minus 2 into dx. If I take limit 0 to 1, you can take the any limit 0 to 1 or 1 to 2 or 0 to 2, like that. You need to do what to do. We have to integrate the given function. What is function? Function is x square plus 3x minus 2 into dx. Correct? Integration of x minus integration of any constant is constant into variable 0 to 1. After integration, so this is learned in indefinite integration. So after integration, we have to put a bracket, take the limit. So this is lower limit, we have to take at the lower part of bracket, upper limit is taken at the upper part of the bracket. Then put a bracket. First, wherever we have x, just substitute 1, because upper limit is what? 1. 1 cube divided by 3 plus 3 into 1 square divided by 2 minus 2 into 1. Upper limit is over. Minus lower limit. Wherever we have x, just put 0. 0 by anything is 0 plus 0 minus 0. So whole thing is 0. Right? This is equal to 1 cube, 1 by 3 plus 1 square is what? 1. 1 into 3 is what? 3 divided by 2 minus 2 into 1 is 2. So denominators are what? 3, 2, yes. Nothing is there. Means what? There is a 1. How to simplify this? This is simplified by taking LCM. What is LCM? 3, 2, 1. Right? Denominators are 3, 2, 1. So all are different numbers, correct? One is not the multiple of other. Hence, take their product will become LCM. 3 into 1 into 2 is what? 6. 6 is LCM. Then we have to replace this one. How it is changed? See, take whole fraction, multiply with LCM. What is LCM? 6. 3 1s are 3 2s are. So 2 into 1 is what? 2 into 1 is 2. Right. What is symbol? Plus. Next fraction is what? 3 divided by 2 into LCM. LCM is what? 6. 2 into 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. Minus. Put minus. 2 divided by 1 into LCM. That is equal to 6 into 2 is what? 6 into 2 is 12. It is what? 11 minus 12 divided by 6 or minus 1 divided by 6. Got it? After taking LCM, the numerator's value will change. How it changes? You just take the denominator, divide that to the LCM. Whatever the remainder remains, with that remainder and the numerator should be multiplied. See, 3 1s are 3 2s are. I got 2 is remainder. That 2 into what is numerator? 1. So if multiply these two, I will get symbol 3 by 2. You must divide 6 with what? 2. 6 divided by 2 is what? 3. 3 into 3, 9. Minus here, nothing is there at the denominator means 1. That is to be multiplied with what? LCM. LCM is 6. 6 into 2, 12. Right? Integration of 0 to 2 e to the power of 2x plus 1 into dx. So integration of e power 2x is what? E power 2x by 2, right? Plus for 1 it is x, limit 0 to 2. It is e to the power of 2 into 2 by 2 plus 2, it is upper limit, minus lower limit, e to the power of 0 by 2 plus 0, correct? That is e to the power of 4 by 2 plus 2 minus e to the power of 0 is 1. Anything to the power of 0 except 0 to the power of 0 is always 1 divided by 2. E to the power of 0 is equal to 1. Right? You can take LCM. What is LCM? 2, 2, 1. 2 is LCM. If denominators are same, you take any one as LCM. Then we have 2. LCM is also 2. So therefore just write the numerator. Here nothing is there, means it is to be multiplied with LCM for minus 1. It is e power 4 plus 4 minus 1, that is plus 3 divided by 2 is answer. Right? 0 to 5 by 2. 2 sin x minus 3 cos x into dx. I am taking simple problems. Just integrate 2. Differentiation of sin x is what? Minus cos x. Minus 3 into. Integration of sin is minus cos. Integration of cos x is what? It is sin x. Right? Apply the limit. What is lower limit? 0. What is upper limit? 5 divided by 2. Now, substitute x is equal to pi by 2 and x is equal to 0 separately. It is minus 2 into cos pi by 2. First bracket minus 3 into sin pi by 2 minus lower limit minus 2 cos 0 minus 3 sin 0. What is cos 0? 1. What is sin 0? 0. Sin 0 is equal to cos 90 is equal to 0. Sin 90 is equal to cos 0 is always equal to 1. This is very important values. So minus 2 into cos 90 0, minus 3 into sin 91, minus into minus plus 2 into cos 0 is 1, minus into minus plus 3 into sin 0 is 0. Okay, it is 0 minus 3 into 1 3 plus 2 plus 0. So we have only this minus 3 plus 2 which is equal to minus 1. Next problem, integration of 1 to 2 x into x plus 3 into dx. If x into x plus 3 is there, two terms which are in product, we can multiply it, correct? First multiply this, simplify it, then integrate, then substitute the limit, right? First we have to go for what? Multiplication. X into x, x square, x into plus 3 plus 3x into dx. So just brackets are removed. Integrate now. Integration of x square is what? X cube by 3 plus 3 into integration of x is x square by 2. Apply the limit. Lower limit 1, upper limit 2. That is equal to, in one bracket we need to substitute x is equal to 2 cube by 3 plus 3 into 2 square divided by 2, close first bracket, minus, put minus, open another bracket for lower limit, that is 1 is substituted in place of x, 1 cube by 3 plus 3 into 1 square divided by 2, or this is equal to 2 cube 8 divided by 3 plus 2 square is what? 4. Otherwise you can cancel 2, 2. Right? 2 square is 2 into 2. 1 to 1 to cancel 6. Minus 1 cube is 1. 1 by 3. Minus into plus minus. 1 square is 1. 1 into 3. 3 by 2. Or it is 8 by 3 plus 6 minus 1 by 3 minus 3 by 2. Here is what? Denominator is 1. Now take LCM for all. 3, 1, 2. We have common denominators. You take any, consider any one. So this 3, this 1 and this 2. Product of this is what? 3 into 1 into 2. 6 is LCM. 6 is LCM. So this remains what? 8 divided by 3 into LCM. 3 1 the 3 2 the 2 into 8, 16. Plus 6 by 1 into LCM. LCM is what? 6. 6 into 6 is 36. Minus 1 by 3 into LCM. 3 1 the 3 2 the 2 into 1 is 2. Minus 3 by 2 into LCM. 6. 2 1 the 2 3 the 3 into 3, 9. So it is equal to 16 plus 36. Both are positive numbers. Add them. 30 plus 10, 40, 40, 52, right? Or 6 plus 6, 12, right? 2, 1 carries, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 1, 5. These are negative numbers. Add negative numbers. Minus 2 minus 9 is minus 11 divided by 6. This is equal to 52 minus 11, 2 minus 1 is 1, 5 minus 1 is 4 divided by 6. Is it cancels? Check this, otherwise write as it is. So this is what a definite integral value of this problem. Okay. If there is any confusion in addition subtraction, you can use the calculator, right? 0 to 4 root x plus 1 by root x into dx. 0 to 4 root x plus 1 by root x into dx. Can you integrate root x directly? No. So what to do? We have to write in terms of x to the power of n. Root x can be taken as x to the power of plus we have integration for this 1 by root x is equal to what? 2 root x, right? Keep it as it is. Now integrate this. Integration of x to the power of is of plus 1, that is divided by of plus 1 plus for 1 by root x, for 1 by root x it is root x 0 to 4. Simplify this. X to the power of plus 1 is what? 1 and half. So 1 and half is nothing but 3 by 2. It is also 3 by 2 plus 2 into root x 0 to 4. Now denominator is what? It is a fraction. So you can just reciprocate it. 2 divided by 3 into upper limit is what? 4. replace x by 4. 4 to the power of 3 by 2 plus 2 root of 4. Applied upper limit. Minus what is lower limit? Lower limit is 0. So each terms are having xx. Just substituting zeros, you will always get 0. You can directly write 0. Okay. 2 by 3. Can I write 4 as 2 square? 2 square. All to the power of what? 3 by 2. Plus 2 into. What is root 4? Root 4 is 2. This 2 and this 2 get cancelled. Correct? A to the power of m. A to the power of m. All to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m into n. This become what? 2 into 3 by 2. So 2 get cancelled. It is 2 divided by 3. 2 cube. 2 cube is what? 8. Plus 2 into 2 is what? 4. 8 into 2, 16 by 3 plus 4. Now take LCM. What is LCM? 3 is LCM. 1 into 16, 16 plus 4 into 3, 12. It is equal to 28 divided by 3 is the answer. Right? Next problem. X minus 1 by x whole square into dx. Limit 1 to 2. 1 to 2. The given integral is of what? What form? So I cannot integrate directly, right? Because of power. So I need to remove this power. Why? So this is of a minus b whole square. Just according to that. A square 0 to 2. Sorry, 1 to 2. A minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab, 2 into x into 1 by x dx. Is it right? I have just expanded according to a minus b whole square. Now, it is 1 to 2 x square plus 1 by x square minus xx cancel 2 into dx. Can I integrate now? You can integrate. Integration of x square is what? X cube divided by 3. What is integration of 1 by x square? It is 1 by x to the power of n form, right? Minus 1 by 2 minus 1 into x to the power of 2 minus 1 minus 2x 1 to 2. Now apply the upper limit. 2 cube divided by 3 plus into minus minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1 is 1. What is x to the power? X to the power of 2 minus 1 is 1. That is only x. 2 minus 2 into 2. Lower limit 1 cube divided by 3 minus 1 divided by 1. Correct? 2 minus 1 is 1. X to the power of 1. So x is 1. So this plus into minus 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 2 into 1. The next step it become what? 2 cube 8 by 3 minus 1 by 2 minus 2 into 2 4 minus 1 cube is 1 1 by 3 minus into minus plus 1 minus into minus plus 2. Okay. Or it is 8 by 3 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 minus 4 plus 3. Minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1. Now take the LCM. What is LCM? 6 is LCM. 6 is LCM. 8 into 2, 16 minus 3 into 1, 3. Correct? 3 divided with 6, 2 minus 2 minus 1 into LCM, 6. That is equal to 16 minus 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 3, 11, 11 by 6. Or it is 16 minus 11, it is 5 divided by 6. 5 by 6 is answer. Right? Next problem, integration of x into x plus 2 into x minus 2 into dx 0 to 2. 0 to 2. We have three terms which are in product, x and x plus 2 and x minus 2. Just we have to remove the bracket, right? Just multiply x with x with 2, that is x square plus x into 2, 2x, right? Into x minus 2. Otherwise, you can take simply consider it as a plus b, a minus b. That become what? A square minus b square. Keep x as it is. A plus b, a plus b, a minus b, which is a square minus b square, right? Or it is what? 0 to 2. X into x square is what? X cube. Plus into minus minus. 2 square is what? 2 square is 4. 4 into x, 4x into dx. You just check them. They are in the form of a plus b, a minus b. I can take it as a square minus b square. X square into x, x cube. 2 square is 4. 4 into x is minus 4x. Then integrate x cube, x to the power of 4 by 4, minus 4. For x it is what? X square by 2. Apply the limit 0 to 2. It is for upper limit 2 to the power of 4 by 4 minus 2 1 za, 2 2 za, 2 into 2 square. This is upper limit minus for lower limit. Put 0. This is 0 minus this is 0. 0 minus 0, right? 2 to the power of 4 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to the 4, 4 into 4, 16. That is 16 divided by 4 minus 2 square 4. 4 into 2, 8. 4 1 za, 4 4 za. It is 4 minus 8 or it is minus 4. 4 minus 8 is minus 4, right? So like that we can integrate for algebraic terms, right? Let us move to the trigonometric terms. 0 to pi by 2. 1 divided by 1 plus sin x. 1 by 1 plus sin x into dx. So how it is to be integrated? This is first, it cannot be integrated directly. So first make this into integrable form. How? By making this into rationalization method. So what rationalization method says? 0 to pi by 2. 1 by 1 plus sin x into 1 minus sin x divided by 1 minus sin x into dx. Right? Whatever the denominator is having, you take the same term with opposite sign and that is multiplied and divided. Okay. It is what? 0 to pi by 2. Numerator is multiplied with numerator. Denominator is multiplied with the denominator. Right? So numerators are what? 1 into 1 minus sin x. 1 into 1 minus sin x is 1 minus sin x. All divided by 1 plus sin x into 1 minus sin x. It is of a plus b, a minus b form, right? A plus b, a minus b form. A square minus b square form, right? This is a plus b, a minus b can be taken as a square minus b square. This is equal to 0 to pi by 2, 1 minus sin x all divided by 1 square is what? 1. 1 minus sin square is what? Cos square x dx. This is 1 by cos square x minus sin by cos square. Sin by cos square. I can take it as 1 by cos x into sin x divided by cos x dx. 0 to pi by 2. So integration of or You make this simplification. 1 by cos square x is what? It is secant square x. Minus 1 by cos x, secant x into sin x by cos x. It is tan x. Suppose for some time, if you take limit, so you make it infinity, you just make this into 4, 0 to pi by 4 or pi by 6 to pi by 3, changing the limit pi by 6 to pi by 3, 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 pi by 6 to pi by 3. Now integrate. Integration of secant square x is what? It is tan x. Minus integration of secant x to tan x is secant x. Limit pi by 6 to pi by 3. We have to take suitable limits. Otherwise, we will get unwanted answer or undefined answer. Then make limits substitution. What is upper limit? Pi by 3. That is equal to tan pi by 3 minus secant pi by 3. Okay. Minus what is lower limit? Lower limit is pi by 6. That is tan pi by 6 minus secant pi by 6. What is pi by 6? Pi by 6 is equal to 30 degree. What is pi by 3? It is 60 degree. What is tan 60? Tan pi by 3. Tan pi by 3 is root 3 minus secant 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Correct? Therefore, secant 60 is equal to 2 minus tan of 60, secant 60, tan 30, secant 30. Tan 30, it is 1 by root 3 minus secant 30, it is 2 divided by root 3 because cos 60 is 1 by 2. Therefore, we have taken secant 60 is 2. Cos 30 is what? Root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. Therefore, secant 30 become 2 by root 3. Now, if I take root 3 as LCM, root 3, here denominator is 1. So, root 3 into root 3, it is root 3 square minus 2 into root 3 minus 1 minus 2 because I have root 3 at the denominators. Square root cancel. What is answer? 3 minus 2 root 3 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 divided by root 3 or 3 cancel minus 2 root 3 divided by root 3 again root 3 cancel, it is minus 2. What is answer? Minus 2 is the answer, right? This is important problem. 0 to pi by 4 tan square x into dx. How to integrate tan square x? So it is done in the indefinite integral when there is a tan square which should be taken in terms of secant square. Why? Tan square is having no integration. We have integration for tan, but we don't have integration for tan square directly. Then you just make that into secant square x minus 1 into dx. Secant square x minus 1 into dx. Correct? What is integration of secant square? It is tan x. Minus what is integration of 1? It is x. Apply the limit 0 to pi by 4. Right? Tan of pi by 4 minus pi by 4 is upper limit. Correct? I have taken in bracket. Minus tan of 0 minus 0 or it is what? tan pi by 4 is 1. Minus pi by 4. Minus 0, 0. So 1 minus pi by 4. You can keep like this. Otherwise, you can take LCM and you can go for further simplification. 4 by 1. 4 minus 5. Integration of root of 1 minus cos 2x divided by 1 plus cos 2x into dx. It is 0 to pi by 4. So if 1 minus cos 2x, 1 plus cos 2x are given, they are to be changed into what? So I mentioned in the previous classes, if you have 1 minus cos 2x, that is taken as 2 sin square x. 1 plus cos 2x can be taken as 1 2 cos square x, right? Dx between the limit 0 to pi by 4. 2 to get cancelled. 0 to pi by 4 root of. It is tan square x dx, right? Square root cancel. What is remaining? Tan x. What is integration of tan x? It is integration of tan x is log of secant x, right? 0 to pi by 4. Log of secant x 0 to pi by 4. Or you can substitute the upper limit. What is upper limit? Upper limit is pi by 4. It is log of secant pi by 4 minus log of secant 0. Secant 0, right? This is what? Log of secant 45. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Secant 45 is root 2. Minus log of secant 0. Secant 0 is 1. This is log of root 2 minus log of 1 is equal to 0. Log of 1 is equal to 0. Hence, the answer is log of root 2. Log of root 2, right? Next, if I take cos 2x divided by and next, let us take another problem. Integration of 0 to pi by 2 cos x plus sin x dx. We have a formula for cos 2x. So cos 2x is having cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus sin square x, or it is 2 cos square x minus 1, or it is 1 minus 2 sin square x, correct? From these two formula, we can take it as 1 minus cos 2x as 2 sin square x, 1 plus cos 2x as 2 cos square x. That I have substituted here. It is cancelled. Sin square by cos square is what? Tan square, square root cancel. I have tan x. Integration of tan x is log secant x with the limit 0 to pi by 4. Apply the upper limit, log of secant pi by 4 minus log of secant 0, correct? So pi by 4, secant pi by 4 is root 2. secant 0 is 1. So log of root 2 minus log of 1. So log 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, it is log root 2. Here, I am taking this formula 0 to pi by 2 cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus sin square x divided by cos x plus sin x into dx. Is it right? Say the numerator. Numerator is what? It is cos square x minus sin square. I can take it as a square minus b square. A square minus b square will be split into a plus b into a minus b, a plus b into a minus b. Denominator is what? Cos x plus sin x. So cos x plus sin x, they get cancelled. For remaining terms, you just integrate. Integration of cos x. What is integration of cos x? It is sin x minus integration of sin x is what? Minus cos x. That minus of minus plus or otherwise you can take separately. Then apply the limit 0 to pi by 2. It is what? Sine of pi by 2. Minus into minus plus cos of pi by 2. Okay. Minus lower limit. Apply the lower limit. What is lower limit? 0. Sine 0 plus cos 0. Sine 90 1 cos 90 0 minus 0 minus into plus minus cos 0 is 1 1 minus 1 is 0. So answer is 0, right? Next, let us take the questions of direct substitution method. So these are important one. Integration of 0 to pi by 2 sine square x dx. How to do this integration of sine square x dx? As we know that, as I mentioned in the previous example, cos 2a is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square a. I need sine square. Then you take it to this side. Minus 2 sine square a become plus 2 sine square a is equal to 1 minus cos 2a. Or sine square a is equal to what? 1 minus cos 2a divided by 2. You just take that formula. 0 to pi by 2, 1 minus cos 2x all divided by 2 into dx. Right? Take 1 by 2 outside. You take this constant outside. Then go for integration. Integration of 1 is x minus integration of cos 2x is what? Sin 2x divided by 2 bracket 0 to pi by 2. Now apply the limit. It is 1 by 2 into pi by 2 minus sin of 2 into pi by 2 divided by 2 minus I'm taking small bracket because this is common for both, minus 0 minus sin 0 by 2. Put big bracket. That is 1 by 2 into pi by 2 minus 2 to cancel sin pi, sin 180. Sin pi means what? Sin 180. Sin 180 is 0. This is 0 by 2. This is 0. Minus into minus plus. Sin 0 is also 0 by 2. So what is answer? 1 by 2 into pi by 2. It is pi divided by 4. You will get same answer for cos square x. If you take the same limit 0 to pi by 2 cos square x, you will get same answer, right? You will get the same answer, that is pi divided by 4. If I take 2x minus 1 all to the power of 5, 1 to 2 dx. This is direct substitution method, correct? Ax plus b to the power of n. Integration of ax plus b to the power of n dx is equal to what? Ax plus b to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 into x coefficient. What is x coefficient? A. You take according to that, it is what? 2x minus 1 to the power of 5 plus 1 divided by 5 plus 1 into x coefficient 2. Apply the limit 1 to 2. Or this is equal to 2x minus 1 to the power of 6 divided by 5 plus 1, 6. 6 into 2, 12. 1 to 2. Or 1 by 12 into, apply the limits. What is upper limit? 2. 2 into 2 minus 1 all to the power of what? 6. Minus, what is lower limit? X. 2 into 1 minus 1 all to the power of 6. So the power should be taken for both. Okay. It is 1 by 12 into 2 into 2, 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 to the power of 6 minus 2 into 1. 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 to the power of 6. What is 3 to the power of 6? It is multiplied 6 times. 3 into 3, 9. Another 2, 9. Another 2, 9. Right? 9. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. 9 9s are 81 into 9. 9 1s are 9. 9 8s are 72. Correct? That is 1 by 12 into 729 minus 1. Or it is equal to 728. 29 minus 1 is 28 divided by 12. This is answer. Otherwise, you can cancel with 2 because both are even numbers. 2 6 are 2 3 are 6. 2 6 are 12. 2 4 are. Again, you can cancel with 2. 2 3 are. 2 1 are. 2 8 are. 2 2 are. So answer is 182 divided by 3. This is the answer, right? Take this integration of 0 to pi by 2 cos cube x dx. This is important one, cos cube x dx. So this can be solved in two methods. One is by splitting this into cos square. Cos square can be taken as 1 minus sin square. We can go for substitution method, right? Otherwise, we can go for formula, cos 3a formula. Cos 3a is equal to 3 4 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a, right? From this, if I take minus 3 cos a this side, it becomes plus 3 cos a plus cos 3a is equal to 4 cos cube a, right? Or cos cube a is equal to 1 by 4 into, so this 4 goes to denominator of left side, 3 cos a plus cos 3a. Is it right? Take this cos cube x into this form. According to this formula, the given integral reduces to 0 to pi by 2. 1 by 4 into 3 cos x plus cos 3x into dx. You take 1 by 4 outside, then integrate. Integration of cos x. Keep 3 as it is. Integration of cos x is what? Sin x. Plus integration of cos 3x is what? sin 3x divided by 3, 0 to pi by 2. That is equal to 1 by 4 into, in small bracket, write x by pi by 2. 3 sin pi by 2 plus sin of 3 pi by 2 divided by 3 minus lower limit 3 into sin 0 plus sin of 3 into 0 divided by 3. It is 1 by 4 into 3 into sin 90. Sin 90 is 1 plus sin 270. 3 into pi by 2 is equal to 3 into 90. It is 270. Use calculator. You will get minus 1 for sin 270 divided by 3. Minus 3 into sin 0, 0, minus into plus, minus, again sin 0 is what? 0, 0 by 3. So now I have only 3 minus 1 by 3 or 1 by 4 into. Take LCM. What is LCM? 3 is LCM. 3 into 3, 9 minus 1. Or it is 1 by 4 into 9 minus 1 is 8 divided by 3, or 4 1 the 4 2 the. So answer is 2 divided by 3. You will get same answer if you take sin cube x with the same limit. 0 to pi by 2 sin cube x dx is also equal to what? 2 divided by 3. Next one, integration of sin 3x into cos x dx 0 to pi by 2. Sin 3x into cos x. Sin 3x into cos x. It is of what form? Sin A cos B form. Sin A cos B is equal to what? 1 divided by 2 into sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B. Is it right? What is A? This is A. What is B? This is B. A is 3x, B is x. Right, according to that. 0 to pi by 2. 1 by 2 into sin of A 3x plus B x plus sin of A 3x minus B x into dx. Into dx. That is equal to 0 to pi by 2, 1 by 2 into sin 4x plus 3x minus x is 2x sin 2x into dx. To take 1 by 2 outside, constant, then integrate. Integration of sin 4x. It is minus cos 4x divided by 4, right? Plus sin 2x, it is minus cos 2x divided by 2. Is it right? Limit 0 to pi by 2. Or it is equal to 1 by 2 into, apply the limits, minus cos of 4 into pi by 2 divided by 4 plus into minus minus cos of 2 into pi by 2 divided by 2. This is for upper limit. Next, use lower limit. What is lower limit? Lower limit is 0 minus cos of 4 into 0 0 by 4 plus into minus minus again cos 0 divided by 2. This is 1 by 2 into minus 2 1 the 2 2 the 2 pi. Cos 2 pi is equal to cos 360. Cos 360 is always equal to cos 0. What is cos 0? Cos 0 is 1 divided by 4. Minus 2 cancel. Cos 180. Cos 180. Cos 180 is also minus 1. That is minus 1 divided by 2. Minus of minus plus. Cos 0 is 1. 1 by 4. Minus into minus plus. Cos 0 is 1. 1 by 2. This is equal to minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 cancel. Minus into minus what? Plus 1 by 2 into half plus half. Half plus half is 1, right? Half into 1 is what? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is answer, right? Zero to pi by 2 sin x into cos x into dx. 0 to pi by 2 sin x into cos x. You treat it as sin A into cos B or cos A into sin B. Use same formula. It become what? 0 to pi by 2. 1 by 2 into, right? Sin of A plus B. X plus x. Plus sin of A minus B. X minus x into dx. That is equal to 0 to pi by 2, 1 by 2 into sin of x plus x is what? Sin 2x. Plus sin of x minus x is sin 0 into dx. This is 1 by 2 into 0 to pi by 2 sin 2x. Sin 2x minus sin 0 is 0 dx. Now integrate sin 2x. It is minus cos 2x divided by 2, 0 to pi by 2. Take this 2 to outside. Minus 1 by 4 is constant. Apply upper limit as well as lower limit. Cos of 2 into pi by 2 minus cos of 0, that is minus 1 by 4 into 2 to cancel. Cos of pi, cos 180. Cos 180 is equal to minus 1. Minus cos 0 is 1. That is equal to minus 1 by 4 into minus 2. Minus minus cancel. 2 1 are 2 2 are. So answer is 1 divided by 4. So like that, you can have a different problems on direct substitution method. Next, substitution method when the function and its derivatives are given. Zero to pi by 4 sin to the power of 4x into cos x dx. 0 to pi by 4 sin to the power of 4x into cos x dx. So this is function, this will become derivative. You have to go for put t is equal to that method, right? T is equal to sin x, differentiate this, dt is equal to differentiation of sin x is cos x into dx, or I can take by dx here. Finally it become what? Cos x into dx. If I change this into t, I should also change this into dt. Therefore, I am going to differentiate it. This is called what? Substitution method when the function and its derivatives are given, right? Substitute the values 0 to pi by 4. What is sin x? It is t. T to the power of 4. What is cos x dx? Cos x dx is dt. So when I am changing the variable from x to t, I should also change the variable, the limits of integration. these limits 0 and pi by 4, which is for x, not for t. You can do it in two methods. I have taken t is equal to sin x, put x is equal to what? Pi by 4. You will get sin pi by 4. Sin pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. That you have to take here. If I put t is equal to 0, sin 0, sin 0 is what? So in that way you have to take. Otherwise, you carry out the integration in t only. Then after integration, we can re-substitute the value of x or t. Then we can substitute the limit. Okay. So I am taken the problem into t from x. I am integrating it. T to the power of 4 is what? 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1. Limit 0 to pi by 4. Now don't replace t by limits. Why? As I mentioned that pi by 4 and 0 are limits of what? Limits of x. Then what to do after integration? If it comes in t, then rewrite the t value. What is t value? T value is sin x to the power of 4 divided by 5. 0 to pi by 4. Now the answer is in. The answer is in x, right? Therefore, you take 1 by 4, 1 by 5, apply the limit. Sin pi by 4 to the power of 4 minus sin 0 to the power of 4. Like that you have to do. If it is substitution method, you are changing the given variable into another t or theta. You just integrate it, you will get answer in the new variable. After integration, you replace that new variable with old one, then you substitute the limit. That procedure you have to follow. Okay. This is equal to 1 by 5 into sin pi by 4 is what? Sin 45. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2, correct? To the power of 4. Sin 0. Sin 0 is what? 0 to the power of 4. It is equal to 1 by 5 into 1 to the power of 4 by root 2 to the power of 4. 1 to the power of 4 by root 2 to the power of 4. That means 1 by 5 into 1 divided by root 2 to the power of 4 is equal to 4. How? Root 2 into root 2, it is 2. Again, it is 4 times now. Root 2 into root 2, it is root 2. 2 into 2 is 4. So answer is 1 divided by 4 into 5 is 20. Right? Zero to 1 tan inverse of x to the power of 3 divided by 1 plus x square into dx. So tan inverse x is function. What is its derivative? It is 1 by 1 plus x square. Both are given. Therefore, we have to go for substitution method. T is equal to tan inverse x. Differentiate this. Dt by dx is equal to what? 1 by 1 plus x square, right? Or dt is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square into dx. Replace this. 0 to 1. What is tan inverse x? It is t. T cube divided by 1 by root of 1 minus x square into dx will be taken as dt. No denominator. Integration of t cube with respect to dt is what? T to the power of 4 by 4. 0 to 1. Don't substitute upper limit and lower limit for t because we have changed the variable. Then what to do? We have to write t in terms of x. That is tan inverse x to the power of 4 divided by 4 and limit 0 to 1. Or it is 1 by 4 into tan inverse of 1 whole to the power of what? Whole to the power of 4 minus tan inverse of 0, 0 whole to the power of 4. That is the tan inverse of 1. So as we know that tan inverse of 1 can be taken as tan inverse of 1 is equal to what? Tan pi by 4, tan 45. So tan inverse of tan cancels. So we have property. According to that property, tan inverse of tan theta is equal to theta. Therefore, we have to write only pi divided by 4. So this is what? 1 by 4. Otherwise, you can remember like this. For what value of tan? It is tan inverse now. For what value of tan you will get 1? It is tan 45. So just write the 45, or 45 can be taken as pi by 4 to the power of 4 minus tan 0. For what value of tan you will get 0? For tan 0 is 0. Therefore, I have to write 0. Like that also you can remember. Otherwise, you just put it in calculator, you will get the value. Right? 1 by 4 into pi to the power of 4 by 4 to the power of 4. Is it right? It is 0. 4 into 4, 16. 16 into 16 is 256. Correct? 1 by 4 into pi to the power of 4 by 256. We can also multiply with 4. That is pi to the power of 4 by 256 into 4. It is 250 into 4, 1000. 6 into 4, 24. 1024. 256 is 250 plus 6. 250 into 4 is 1000. 6 into 4 is 24. 1000 plus 24 is 1024. Right? Zero to 1. It is 1 by sin inverse x whole square into root of 1 minus x square into dx. So we can see, or we can observe that for sin inverse x, derivative is what? 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Function and its derivative are here. Therefore, we have to go for substitution method. Right? T is equal to sin inverse x. dt by dx is equal to 1 by root of 1 minus x square. I am taking dx directly to denominator of other side. So the problem reduces to 0 to 1, 1 by t square. Is it right? What is remaining? The whole thing remaining becomes dt. What is integration of 1 by x to the power of n? It is minus 1 by n minus 1 into t to the power of n minus 1. 0 to 1, or minus 1 by t. Write the value of t. It is sin inverse x. Apply the limit 0 to 1, minus 1 by tan sin inverse of 1 minus of minus 1 by sin inverse of 0. Correct? Simplify this. Minus of 1 divided by sin inverse of 1. For what value of sin? You will get 1. As we know that sin 90 is 1. Sin 90 is equal to 1 means here we will have a 90 or pi by 2. Because sin pi by 2 is equal to 1. Minus into minus plus 1 divided by, for what value of sin? You will get 0. Sin 0 is 0. Therefore, I have to write 0. Answer is minus 1 by pi by 2, or 2 goes to numerator. It is minus 2 divided by pi. Minus 2 by pi is answer. Right? integration of tan x into secant square x dx. We take pi by 6 to pi by 3. Pi by 6 to pi by 3 tan x into secant square x dx. So tan and its derivative are there, correct? Differentiation of tan is secant square. Then we can go for substitution method. T is equal to tan x. Differentiation is what? dt is equal to secant square x dx. It is pi by 6 to pi by 3 t into dt, right? Secant square x dx is equal to dt. Integration is what? T square divided by 2. Pi by 6 to pi by 3. Or it is 1 by 2 into. Apply the limit. Before applying it, replace the t. What is t? Tan square x pi by 6 to pi by 3, or it is 1 by 2 into tan of pi by 3 whole square minus tan pi by 6 whole square. It is 1 by 2 into tan pi by 6, sorry, pi by 3. Tan 60, tan 60 is equal to root 3, right? Root 3 square. Tan pi by 6, it is 1 by root 3 whole square. Or it is 1 by 2 into 3 minus 1 by 3. Or it is 1 by 2 into 3 is LCM, 3 into 3, 9 minus 1. Or 1 by 2 into 8 by 3, 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja. Answer is 4 divided by 3. So like that you can do the problems of substitution method. Next, let us take 1 or 2 problems on integration by parts. Zero to 2 x into e power x dx. 0 to 2 x into e power x dx. First, let us take I is equal to integral is what? X into e power x dx. I am taking x into e power x. So it is product of two functions, right? Then we have to go for integration by parts. Here we need to take the first term and second term. First function and second function. First identify the functions. This is algebraic. This is what? Exponential. According to the word I let. According to the word I let, which comes first, A or E? See A, then E. The algebraic become first and this become second. So according to that, rule says first function into integration of second minus integral of d by dx of first into integration of second into dx plus c. Okay. Right according to that, which is first function? X. Integration of second function e power x dx minus integral of d by dx of first function d by dx of first, that is x into integration of second into dx plus c. Right? Wherever we have integration, integrate it. Wherever we have d by dx, differentiate. See, keep x as it is. Integration of e power x is e power x minus integral of differentiation of x is 1 into integration of e power x is e power x plus c, or x into e power x minus 1 into e power x is what? E power x only. Integration of e power x is e power x plus c. Therefore, integration of 0 to 2 x e power x dx is equal to x into e power x minus e power x, limit 0 to 2. Apply the limit 0 to 2. What is upper limit? Upper limit is 2. 2 into e to the power of 2 minus e to the power of 2. Correct? Minus, what is x? 2. Minus lower limit. What is lower limit? Lower limit is 0. 0 into e power 0 minus e power 0. It is 2 into e to the power of 2 minus e to the power of 2 minus 0, minus into minus plus 1, or 2 e power 2 minus e power 2. It is what? 1 e power 2 minus 0, leave it, plus 1. This is answer. Okay. Integration of x into sin x dx 0 to pi by 2. Again, the problem is what? It is integration by parts. Why? Because we have a two functions which are in product, x into sin x, right? This is algebraic. This is trigonometric. According to the word highlight, is it a comes first or t comes first? A comes first, then t, right? This is first. This is second. Write the rule. What the rule says? First function. What is first function? X. Otherwise, you just take x into sin x dx, in which this is first, this is second. Later on, we will take into that form. First function x into integration of second minus integral of dy dx of first into integration of second into dx plus c. It is x into, what is integration of sin x? Integration of sin x is cos x. Cos or minus cos? It is minus cos x. Minus integral of dy dx of x is 1 into integration of sin x is minus cos x into dx plus c. It is minus x cos x, minus into minus plus integration of cos x dx, or minus x cos x plus integration of cos x is sin x, right? Integration of cos x is sin x plus c. Therefore, integration of x sin x with the limit. What is limit? 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2 is equal to minus x cos x plus sin x bracket. What is bracket? Limit. We have to write limit 0 to pi by 2. Then apply upper limit minus pi by 2 cos pi by 2 plus sin pi by 2. Is it right? Minus lower limit. What is lower limit? 0. Minus of minus 0 into cos 0 plus sin 0. It is minus pi by 2 cos 90. Cos 90 is equal to 0. 0 plus sin 90 is equal to 1. Minus into minus plus 0 into anything is 0. Minus into plus minus sin 0 is 0. So what is remaining? This is 0. This whole thing is 0. Only thing is answer is 1. Answer is what? It is 1. Like that, if they give definite integral for integration by parts, what to do? We have to take first integral and it is integrated. After getting the answer, that has to be applied what? That has to be applied the limits. Now one more problem of integration using standard form. Suppose if it is like this, 0 to 5, 1 divided by 25 plus x square dx. 0 to 5, 1 by 25 plus x square. Suppose I can take 25 as pi square plus x square. Is it right? See the integral. It is of what form? Integration of 1 by a square plus x square form. What is the answer for that? It is 1 by a into tan inverse of x divided by a. It is standard form, right? So according to that, is it not in the standard form? 1 divided by a square plus x square into dx. What is a? A is 5. Right, according to that, 1 by 5 into tan inverse of x by a. What is a? 5. Then limit. Limit is what? 0 to 5. Or it is 1 by 5 into. Apply the upper limit. Wherever we have x, we have to write upper limit. Tan inverse of 5 divided by 5. Correct? 5 is x divided by 5 minus tan inverse of 0 by 5. What is 0? Lower limit. It is 1 divided by 5 into 5 cancel. What is remaining? It is tan inverse of 1. Tan inverse of 1 minus tan inverse of 0. So as we know that tan inverse of 1 is what? 5 by 4 minus tan inverse of 0 is what? 0. So answer is 1 by 5 into 5 by 4, which is equal to 5 divided by 20. So like that, we can have a definite integral for all the types of integrations we were discussed in the indefinite integral. Okay, you work out more problems, then you will become perfect. With this, I am going to conclude my today's class. Thank you. If you have any questions, please raise your question.